Alright guys, so we've got a 3rd gen Grand Caravan. It is a green 2000 Dodge Grand Caravan. And I see some scuffs and some dings, but this one looks pretty clean. Guys, look at the rockers. Just a little bit starting back here, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. Doors all look fine. There's something going on there. It looks like probably a scratch that turned into a rust pit. So, what do we got going on here? Is this the silver fern interior? It's got a mismatched seat in it, or the seat bottom's different, if you look. Seat top and everything. It's got this speckled gray. This is what my 98 has in it. I think this is a silver fern interior. Yeah, I never find these. And ironically, both of mine are silver fern. So, we've got ourselves a fairly standard Dodge Grand Caravan here. I see something cool that I might actually take. But we've got ourselves power windows, power rear vents, power locks, power mirrors. We do not have fog lights, dimmer. We've got a full instrument panel with a optional tack. We've got ourselves an overhead console with trip and fuel, cruise control. What do we got for? We've got our factory Chrysler radio. This one's a pretty generic one with 5 preset buttons. Basic tuner, bass, treble. It does have a tape player. No CD for a 2000. That's pretty. It's getting pretty rare there. Looks like they weren't a smoker necessarily, but very, that's melty. I don't know. That doesn't necessarily look like cigarette. I don't know what caused that. Maybe the passenger was a smoker. What we got down here though, however, look at this Caravan floor mat. That is a single piece floor mat all the way across. I've never seen that before. And it has, looks like it folds full length all the way up here, covers all of this. It doesn't cover your gas pedal, and it says Caravan on it. I really like that. It's not completely wore out or anything. It looks like it had another floor mat over the driver's side and another floor mat over the passenger side that I've left. It looks like it's got a full floor mat back here too that wraps around both seats. I've seen this. I've never seen this front one before. That's really cool. And I think I'm going to take them. What do we got? What else we got? We've got a headliner that's starting to bubble on the front at both sides, but the back looks okay. Couple stains, nothing bad. It looks like it has rear AC. We've got a 2nd row bench and a 3rd row bench. No bucket seats in the middle. Looks like it had these interesting poverty caps. I see 2 pennies down here. Nothing in the glove box. Nothing in the other glove box. Let's take a walk around. I think it's starting to rain. Uh-oh. We're up here at East Bethel today. Got myself a new air box for my Neon, because mine's all busted up from when I nailed a deer out on I-74 down in Illinois. We're finally... The only reason I'm replacing it, mine's in one piece, but all the mounting brackets are broke. The only reason we're replacing it is because somebody already did all the work and tore it out for me. All I had to do was unbolt the throttle body from it. So it was like, 5 minutes, I'll do it, fine. But yeah, it's got a full wraparound floor mat here. As you can see, does that come like that? I'm assuming it comes cut like that and they didn't do that, but that's pretty neat. Yeah, same story on this side. Both doors look nice. It looks like it's got paint matched handles. This quarter is in really good shape. Just a little bit starting down there. What do we got for wheels? Are these are 215/65 R15s. And we got no floor mat back here. Somebody's pulled this up for some reason. They've got the jacks all taken out of them. How's the rear hatch look? Rear hatch looks mint. Oh yeah, look at that. That's mint. Not a speck of rust, couple scratches, no big deal. Our grommet looks pretty wore out up there, as per usual. Rear shocks all seem to work just fine. A couple wasp nests up there. yeah, no, it's pretty clean. It looks like original shocks, all original brake lines. Yeah, this one's not rusty at all. I smell old gas though. I don't know if it's this car or the car next to it. Yeah. So looks like they replaced the seat bottom anyway for some reason. What do we got on the hood? Hood appears popped. Didn't look that way when I walked by it, but yeah, sure enough. Critters. So this one's probably been sitting a little while, which explains the fuel smell, maybe. Somebody's got a plug out of it, and then those look like new plugs. Those are not factory wires, so it's had a plug job, and for some reason we're missing the plug. I don't know what's going on there. This intake box has just barely got a crack starting right there. Yeah, the battery was corroded as hell. Does that look like stop leak was in there? I see kind of gooiness all over it. So is the motor bad? Possibly. It's actually, hey, I said those are not factory plug wires. They are factory wires. I don't know what I'm talking about. The handle or the latch is gone. That's why it didn't latch. Those are Mopar wires though. Alternator might be newer. It's kind of shiny looking, but it's also just aluminum, so it kind of looks vaguely the same color. Hard to say. It does have the recall fuel rail repaired on. This has got the older rail on it, actually. I just noticed that. Some of them, they have the different style rail. This one didn't get a new rail. It just got the cheap repair. Shock towers look good on both sides, guys. Look at that. This is a pretty clean unit as far as body rot goes. It's got dings and dents, and you know, down in the south you guys might be like, this is a pile of shit. Actually up here, it's a pretty clean old van to beat around, you know. Honestly, it might not have been from up north. Look how sun faded this plastic is. I've never seen that, not in a car up here. So I wonder if this is a southern-ish vehicle that came up here and ended its life very shortly after. Yeah, the plastic's all sun faded and stuff. Clear coat's off the roof. There's a sticker in the window. Mileage in 2018, it had 190,000 roughly. Valvoline, it doesn't say where though. I don't know if we're gonna get that answer. Oh, a quarter. Come here. 2016 quarter. Oh, this seat bottom came out of a different style van. Obviously, they cut all the wires or something. They don't have any of that hooked up. Airbag light. Yeah, they didn't care. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna pull these two floor mats out real quick, and I'm gonna call it a day. Seats look pretty nice back here. It's not that bad of a van. I'd ride this if it was mine. Very good, very good. Right. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed seeing this old girl in the old yard here. Somebody come get these doors. These are nice doors.